Hello, and welcome to week 7. This week builds on last week, so if there are things you haven't done from last week, you need to go back and do those first before you do the things in this week. However, if you have chosen your experiment and you made a prediction, which was your hypothesis, you are ready to move on. So tomorrow morning, or whenever you're watching this video, you should have an email from me about your materials and procedure list for your experiment. If there are things that you don't have or that you need to change out, just make those changes. And the important thing is to conduct the controlled experiment where you're only changing one variable at a time and doing multiple trials. You're going to open up the data table assignment in Schoology and fill that out as you conduct your experiment. So whether you are making a catapult, whether you are flying airplanes, you want to do each test multiple times so you can take an average. You want to do at least 3 trials per test. Make sure you take pictures and short video clips so you can add those to your Google Slide presentation. And then after you're done with your experiment, you are going to write what's called a power conclusion. And it's just a couple of questions that summarize what happened in your experiment and why you think that happened. Make sure you click submit so I know that you're ready for me to check it out. Go back and make sure you've made all the changes and things are spelled correctly for your question, your hypothesis, your data table, and your power conclusion. And then there's a Google Slide presentation you're going to open. And you can basically copy and paste the information from those other sections into your Google Slide and then add your pictures and video. If you finish those 5, that is considered satisfactory for the week. There's also a Flipgrid discussion that you can do where you basically talk about your experiment so other people can see it. And then there's an independent and dependent variables quiz in Schoology. It's only 3 questions and it's all about your experiment. So good luck. If you need help with anything, I will have office hours on Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 3 on Zoom, and you can contact me and we can work on some things together. So let me know, and good luck, have fun, enjoy your experiment.